This Testament multimeter is so handy. I actually own 3 of them. Now I'm simply checking the voltage on these batteries. Notice I don't have to pick any selection. It automatically senses that I'm checking voltage on this machine. Now we're obviously checking continuity. The meter determines what we're doing. Checking resistance across this blower motor resistor assembly. Recognizes we're checking AC voltage. You can test a household battery. Press and hold this button for the non-contact voltage feature. Remove the probes for accuracy. You can test this wire for voltage without probing it or probing the outlet. Yep, that wire's hot. So simple to use, and all these features for under 16 bucks. That's why I have 3 of them.